Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to registering a Twitter account. Step 1. Go to Twitter's website. Open your web browser and go to twitter.com. On a mobile device, download the Twitter app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Start the sign-up process. On the Twitter homepage or app, click Create Account. Enter the following details. Name. Enter your full name. This will be displayed on your profile. Phone number or email address. Choose one to use for your account. Date of birth. Enter your birth date. Twitter requires users to be at least 13 years old. Step 3. Verify your phone number or email. If you used a phone number, Twitter will send a verification code via SMS. If you used an email address, Twitter will send a verification link to your inbox. Enter the code or click the link to verify your account. Step 4. Create a password. Choose a strong password for your account. Make sure it's unique and secure. Step 5. Add a profile picture. Step 6. Choose a username. Your username must be unique and available. Step 7. Follow accounts. Twitter will suggest accounts to follow based on your interests. You can follow suggested accounts. Once your account is set up, you can tweet, share text, photos, videos, or links, retweet, share other users' tweets,